After months of digging, BBC Africa Eye can identify this police officer. His name is John Kaboi. Multiple sources told us he's a plainclothes officer based at the Central Nairobi police station. Even after the fatal shots, he could still be heard urging his colleagues forward to kill. This is the man who fired those shots into a crowd 50 meters from him. And this is the officer who urged him to do it. Both David and Erickson were in that crowd. Neither of them were armed, and neither of them were organized criminals who'd hijacked the protest.
This is what the state is, killing its brave, harmless youths, demanding for a better country.
Erickson's friends carry his body to the southern gate of Parliament,